Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how to make a section full width so that you have a full page width like this blue line, for example. And to do that is really easy. It just involves a little bit of CSS. And to do that, you go to your section selector here, your settings, click on CSS, get the section ID, come up to settings, custom CSS, copy and paste that section, and then you go period, container, inner, space, bracket, width, colon, 100%, close the bracket. And now you see that made this full width for your Clickfunnels page, your sales page, or your opt-in page. Comes in kind of handy when you want to get rid of, like that, for example. And if this were one column, you could make this really pop out here. So it's really simple. You just have to go down and do that for every section. You do that in your sections to make it full width. Let's just see how let's see how this would look once, so you get a better idea of what it would look like, or the effect of it. I'll just add a row since this wants to be difficult with me. If you wanted to go in there and make that centered or whatever, you could really make it look a lot nicer by the full width there. Plus, when you blow your text up, it looks really good. So that's the benefit of doing a full width section. It's really easy to do, and you can do that on all your sections down or not. It's up to you.